We are on your side this morning with a recall alert. Lowe's is now recalling 280,000 ceiling fans after reports that glass globes on the fans have been falling off, sometimes leading to injury. The Harbor Breeze Kingsbury ceiling fans were sold from April 2010 through December 2018. They have a bronze finish and 5 70-inch blades. The company says new installation instructions will help you correct the issue. Anyone with this ceiling fan should contact the company and request a new owner's manual and light kit label to help ensure correct installation.